Have you ever feel like giving up in life? Does life has it ever given you a choice where to be born or where to start your life? It doesn't matter when. I know I will make it. I come to realize why many young people are running from Kenya to Middle East just to look for green pasture. Then things turn out to be the hardship that you have been seeing on the TV from Middle East. Many young people in Kenya
What's up? I'm having an evening walk around my area, so let's go have fun. Let's go.
Really try their best here, like looking for jobs, looking for ways out to make it in life, and I'm one of them.
So guys, it is full. Imagine 2 days ago, this place there was no water, and now, boom, voila.
We were told to go to school, finish your high school, finish your college or university degree, then you'll get a job. But that was just a nightmare for many of young people in Kenya. It hasn't been easy for them just to realize that.
I just found a road. Okay, there is some holes inside here, and these walls, I don't know, they are birds, lava birds. We call them lava birds. Do you know another?
That life, it is different from the perspective that we have been told. It is so sad to see some of us struggling every day just to make an end meet. I've lost friends in the name of asking for help. I've lost close people that used to help me so much because they have helped me so much. They have helped me a big picture. I've been dependent on them, even trying to depend on myself at the moment. They have left me to be on my own because I've depended on them so much. Even they feel they are worn out or I become a burden to them. That hasn't been easy for me, like looking for a job. I'm a photographer, and being a photographer, you need to have some gigs here to there.
No, Where is it? How about this? Guys, if you can remember, I was swimming in this waterfall, and today, my God,
the degree that I did, I've been applying for jobs in and outside Kenya, but there is no even reply. Since I started applying for a job after my college in 2018, it hasn't been easy because I've never failed or I've never had any reply or any interview to attend to. It is like a scam. So these things, if you reach a place where you want to give up in life, you want your life to turn into different things, just to be in the society where you can say something or do something for your own. It is not easy, just to be honest. At the moment, we are going through rough time through this economy that is, even I cannot even remember how much do I have with myself, because There is no gig, there is no jobs. People don't have money at the moment. They don't have money even to spend on leisure time like photography. And looking for jobs, even if I go look for supermarket, I'll need a connection there to the supermarket. If I need a job to go and do administrative, we'll need a connection. A job that requires 2 people, vacancy of 2 people, there will be more than 19,000 people.
This is where the waterfall is.
In Kenya who are going to apply for that job. So it is not easy for them or for me. I'm one of them, and it feels painful to see myself in the same shoes like those people. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm not going to give up. Life is not going to push me to a limit where I want to take my life again or do anything silly with my life. I know one day things will change, and for better, I hope so. But it is not really that easy. I know someone outside there like me and is going through the same thing. Let us hold on. We hope other people see and help us. Like at the moment, I don't know where I get rent for this month, but I believe things will work out along the road. Last week and this week, I haven't get any gig or any job in my
Hello guys, I want to show you beautiful thing that you can see in my area. So we have duck of water, and they meet
photography in my business because of the government and the election in my country. The cost of election, it is high, and it is one of the painful things to face. As young people in this generation in Kenya. So, are you going to save me? Are you going to help me? Are you going to help other people like me to get outside these walls of life? Walls of lies, walls of making it and things doesn't work out. We just live in the same position every day. Day come, day go. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. Be blessed.